Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a straightforward process. How to remove your phone number from Gmail using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, look for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. This icon represents your settings. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, select See All Settings from that menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your Gmail account. Now, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. From there, look for the option that says Other Google Account Settings. Click on it to access your Google account settings. In this new window, you'll see several options on the left side. Choose Personal Information. This is where you can manage all your personal details linked to your Google account. After that, find your phone number listed on the screen. Click on it to open up options related to your phone number. You'll see your number displayed, along with a remove icon nearby. Click on that icon to initiate the removal process. Finally, a confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you really want to proceed with this action. Confirm your choice, and your phone number will be successfully removed from your Gmail account. And there you go. That's how easy it is to remove your phone number from Gmail on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.